Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the VOLTME Powerlink fast charge cable. So this is £9.99 currently on sale on Amazon, and it's usually for £10.99, so you're saving £1, I guess, but still a saving. So go ahead, go check it out. Thank you VOLTME for sponsoring the video and sending me out this product. I appreciate it. So the packaging is quite nice itself. It's got this weird texture too, as you can see. Here is shrink wrapped. It did get a bit damaged in the post, but that's nothing to do with the company. Copyrights, yeah. A very nice branding colour, grey with yellowy orange. So look at the back. It's a tier 1 developer. You got good after support, 18 months warranty as well. That's not bad on a cable. So this is a 2-pack, I believe, yep. And you can get it in different colours. We got the black one. So these are 1 meter, which is 3.3 feet. It's a USB 2.0, which is okay, but it is a fast charger, so that's the main thing, which is good. 3 amps and 60 watts it can deliver. Oh, you got authentication thing there, also you scratch that and check it, but I'm not going to do that as my nails will get ruined. So yeah, you can do it with the penny or whatever. Oh, they even got braille on there for people who are, I think that's braille, is it? Or is that just branding? I don't know. Let's see what it says. Live to charge. No, I don't think that is braille actually. I think it's just a design. Looks nice though. I do like the font of that as well. Look at the logo. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take this shrink wrap off. I just have to cut it with my hand like that, yeah. That's why I keep these long nails. I'm joking. Alright. So yeah, like I said, the packaging is very nice. It's got this weird texture, but I like it. I really like it. It's better than a plain box, you know what I mean? So let's see what it looks like inside. Ah, that was a bit sharp there in the corner. It'll be alright. Oh yes, I love this kind of packaging. These soft bags, they're really nice and soft. It's a weird thing to pick up on, but it's premium. That's what I like. Oh, very nice. Got the card in here. I think this is the warranty card. Yeah. Oh wow, that looks nice, doesn't it guys? Thank you for your purchase. So there you go. It tells you to contact them if anything, if there's a problem or anything, if you need help. These are the 2 cables themselves. USB-C cables are generally quite expensive as well, I'm not gonna lie. So 2 for £5 is not £5 each, so 2 for £10, £5 each. It's not bad if they're good quality. So let's have a look. And yeah, they are good quality because they're braided. Oh, they look nice as well. I like that. And you got this zip tie, velcro zip tie to keep everything tidy. For now I'll take that off so you can see the length of the cable. So this is the 1 meter. Wow, let's see how long it goes. I'll hold it with my leg here. So it is a bit shorter than I would normally use, but I do have a use case for this right now, so it'll do the job. I'll be happy with that. So yeah, there's the length. So this is 1 feet. What I usually use is 1.5 feet, and I also have this very long ass one. Let me show you. Look at this one. Look how long this one is, guys. You can literally go from one side of the room to all the way down there. If it wasn't tangled, I could take it further. All the way there, all the way down there. This one I think is like 4 or 5 feet. It's a very long cable. So this one's 1 feet. I believe this one is 1.5 feet. Currently it's charging something, so I think the perfect size is 1.5 feet, but this does have its own uses. So 1 feet is decent, and sometimes you do need shorter cables like this, which yeah, for a situation like this when I'm sat on the sofa, it's perfect. Or a situation where I'm sat on the PC there, because that has a USB-C port and I'm going to be charging, that's perfect as well. Situation where I'm plugging into my laptop to charge my phone, that's also perfect as well, because you don't want a very long cable. So this is perfect. And yeah, it's fast charging. You got high quality cable, you got nice braided black cable. I like it. Let's see the end of it. So end of it, you got the nice metallic ring around. Can you see? You got the VOLTME logo. Ooh, I like this knob as well. So with USB-C you can plug in either way. So you can plug in this way, or you can turn it around, plug in this way. So that's one advantage of USB-C, because you can plug in the dark any direction you want. That's the one thing I didn't like about micro USB. So this is what this solves. So USB-C is perfect. And yeah, this cable is very soft at the end. Ooh, I like that. So this is very high quality. Let's check out the other cable. It should be the exact same. Yeah, I'm impressed, can't lie, I'm very impressed. And it's fast charging, so life is good. Oops, I broke the bag. Come on. It's very hard doing this with one hand, by the way, guys. I do have my tripod, but I'm on a bit of a tight schedule, so can't really set it all up right now. Come on, come on. So yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. Exact same, almost out. There you go. There you go, guys. Same again, 1 feet. So yeah, that is perfect length, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, they do another length though. Oh, it's not 1 feet, it's 1 meter. 1 meter, which is 3 feet. Let me just double check. 1 meter, yeah. So not 1 feet, 1 meter. So yeah, so the length that I've been saying, 1.5, they actually do that length as well. So they do a 1.8 meter. That's the perfect length, which I believe that is anyway. So yeah, they do both options. I've just got the shorter one, which is okay, because that fits my use case really well right now. So yeah, you have the choice of between this length or the bit slightly bigger one. So yeah, I'm really impressed, I'm happy. Let's see how much the 1.8 meter is. Should be around similar prices. Yeah, it's $13.99, but you can apply a voucher on top, which will bring down the price back to about £10 anyway. So it's not bad at all, guys. Happy with that. But yeah, I'm glad they offer different sizes as well. That's perfect. So this is 1 meter. 1 meter, like I said. My recommendation is 1.8 meters. Go for the 1.8. It'll save you a headache. Or if you want, if you have a lot of USB-C devices like me, get both lengths, you know, because short ones are very handy as well. Like I said, on your computer, on your laptop, you do not want a long cable for them. So yeah, these are all right. And yeah, thank you VOLTME for sending these out. I appreciate it. Very good brand, very good quality. Highly recommend them, guys. Should plug one in. See, I'll show you fast charging capability. Yeah, okay. Oh wait, I can't right now, guys. I forgot I don't have a USB-C end yet. I have one, but it is not here. Never mind, guys, I'll have to show you some other time. Stay tuned. Good night.